Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It is Sunday and December 7th. So today is day 7 of Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher and I's collaboration of 12 Days of Christmas. I'm so excited to be here with you this morning and wanted to share with you. I'm going to open up day 7 of a gift that Shannon sent me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what this is. Then I have a channel to shout out, and then I also have a recipe to share with you that was shared with to me by my daughter. I have not made it yet. She made it, and everybody went crazy over it. And so she said it's a super easy recipe. So I'm going to share that. Excuse me. So sorry. I'm going to share that with you in just a few minutes. So, um, let's see. Let's go ahead and look. Here's the day 7 gift. And let's flip over and see the clue. Well, I'm going to have to get my cutter out here and use it just to cut through the tape. There we go. All those bits and bobs. Bits and bobs. Well, I already got stitch markers. Where did I put those? Where's my little thing of stitch markers? Here we go. I already got the stitch markers. So what other bits and bobs go along with crochet? Tapestry needles. There's nothing moving. I bet it's a little tin. All those bits and bobs. I bet it's a tin to hold all my little bits and bobs. So let's just see. This with the size of it and all, I bet you anything that it's a little tin. And it's probably a twice sheared sheep tin. So, and I want to look at something just real quick. Oh man, it's really jumped. Our channel is at 2,174. Guys, I'm almost at 2,200. I'm so excited. Um, I'm so excited for this. I am working so hard to get to 3,000 now, and I am really hoping, and I'm going to tag them in this video so they see it. I am really hoping that when I reach 2,000, that I will be able to be an affiliate with Twice Sheared Sheep, because I absolutely love their products. Shannon wants me to get there so I can be a part of Twice Sheared Sheep. And if they allow me to be an affiliate, you guys are going to be seeing some really fun videos from the two of us. Yes, it is. Oh, how cute. Look at this cute little tin. Look at the little sheep. Aww. That is so sweet. She's got a little scarf around her neck. I love Twice Sheared Sheep. They are just amazing. I have several of their products. And I just got one of the things that I got from them. Let's see. I think I may have put it over here. Let's see. Let me see if I've got it in here. Yeah. Let me get these out and show you, because I cannot. This is just right up my alley. Where did the other one go? There it is. They have stitch markers. I've got ones that say have a D and an I, so that you can, if you're doing like corner to corner or anything where you have one side, you're decreasing on one side and increasing on another, you can put the D on the decrease side and the I on the increase side, so you don't forget which side you're decreasing and increasing on. Love those. Well, here's these, and I love their stitch markers have, and Shannon, I cannot think what they call this kind of an opening. Can you see that? There you go. But it just slips right through the yarn. You don't have to worry about closing it or anything, and it stays put. So I got these, and I love them. Right? It's an R and an L. All right, R and L. The reason I got these is when I do amigurumi, a lot of times a pattern, when it has you making the arms and the legs, it'll have you making the right arm, and then it'll give you directions for the left arm. And I was forever getting confused. Which one's the right? Which one's the left? Not anymore. I can hook these on after I make them, and I'll know exactly which one's the right and which one's the left. So I love, I love those. That is my new favorite item that I've gotten from Twice Your Sheep. They have so many things. But you can look on Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher. You can go to her channel and look at any of her videos in the description box, and there will be a link there for Twice Sheared Sheep in her description box. So, but these are cute little tins. I love their tins. I love their tins. They make small ones like this. Let's see if I've got, I know I've got a, oh yeah, here we go. They make the small ones like this, but then they also have larger size tins also. And I don't know where I put it, but I just got, where did I set that? I'm not sure where I put it. I'll have to show that to you in another video. But they also make these little dividers you can buy, and they fit in like an X, so you can put them in for the large or the small, and they're little plastic dividers that make an X shape, and then it makes you 4 little compartments where you can keep like stitch markers and pins and needles, and keep them all separate so they don't get all mixed up together in your tin. Genius. And way too many more products to even begin to talk about, but you'll have to get with Shannon and go to her videos. Like I said, go to her description box in her videos and click her link for Twice Sheared Sheep if you haven't ever checked them out. All right, so that was day 7. So we're going to reveal what's under the flap for day 7 on here. And it says TSS10, Twice Sheared Sheep, great for pins or small stitch markers. Yes. And I'm getting ready. Well, I've already gone. This is Sunday when you're watching this. I'm recording this on Friday morning, but you're watching this on Sunday. And I'm at our youth retreat. So this is, I'm taking this, I'm packing it in my bag. And this is going to go with me for my needles and everything for my little crochet project that I'm taking with me. Because you know I take crochet wherever I go. And this little sheep is so cute. I love it. Thank you, Shannon. All right, so for today's recipe, and you know what? I'll probably put it in my little bag that she sent me the other day. So I'll take both of those with me. So the recipe for today, it's called Snickerdoodle Cobbler Cake. Here's a picture of it. And Snickerdoodle is my favorite cookie. So here's this. I'll put a link to this recipe in the description box so you can have it. But basically what it is, there's a base for it, and it's a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of unsalted butter melted. Then for the topping, it's a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 cups of hot water. You can also add in vanilla ice cream, or you can have with it vanilla ice cream. And you can make a cinnamon sugar dust combination to dust over the top if you want to. But you bake this at 350 in a 9x9 dish, and you just mix all the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then you stir in the milk, vanilla, and the melted butter, and mix that till it's smooth, and pour it into your pan. And then you mix your brown sugar and cinnamon, sprinkle that over the top, and then you slowly pour the hot water over all of that, but you don't stir in the hot water. You just pour it over the top. And then you bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. And that's it. Done. So, yeah, I will I'll be sure and add this to your, or in the description box. I will put a link for that recipe. And Here's something else that I want to do, guys. I'm shouting out a channel each day. And the channel that I want to shout out for you today is, and I want to look her up because I want to get the numbers right. Here we go. All right. Paige Loves Pumpkins. I want to shout her out. She is awesome. She has the neatest videos, and she does all of her videos and everything from in her van, and it's so awesome. Her setup is so cool because that's where she lives from in her van, and it's awesome. I love her setup. For her to do what she does in such a tiny little area is amazing, and she's an amazing person too. uh my shirt that she sent me, I and the where's my sloth mug? um Oh, it's over to the side where you can't see it. She sent me a little mug that has a sloth on it that is so stinking adorable. And so she's just sweet. I love Paige to death. She's been with us on Battle of the Stitches, and she just does the neatest. She's doing the coolest thing right now. She's doing an advent calendar right now on her channel, and each day she's opening up a little drawer, and it has some embroidery floss in it. She's making a granny square, and whatever color she pulls out, that's the next color on her granny square. And if I remember correctly, Paige, you can correct me in the comments. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think she said she's going to get to the 12th day and stop at the granny square. And then she's going to do a second granny square with the other 12 colors. And then she's going to put them together and make a little pouch. And it's turning out so cute. So if you have not seen those videos, I encourage you, go to her channel. I'll have her linked in the description box, and check out what she's doing with that floss and making those granny squares. It's so cute, adorable. I'm loving watching every day, and it's turning out really cute. So I wanted to shout her out. She has 722 subscribers, guys. I will be doing a major happy dance when she gets to 1,000 subscribers. And you guys get her there. That's when a lot of good things from YouTube happen when you get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's help her get there. If you have not, I'll have her linked in the description box. So click on and check out her channel if you haven't. And let's help Paige get those, what is it, 278. She's 278 away from 1,000. Let's help her get there. So, and she's awesome. You will love her. So that is my video for today. And I'm going to get off of here and see you guys later. Stay tuned Monday. And I'm not sure what's going to happen. I'll just be getting back from my retreat, so there's no telling. I have a Christmas party to go to that day for our homemakers group that I'm involved in. And so I have that to go to. So let's see what will be. I'll be opening day 8 on Monday. That this coming week will be the last week of our 12 days of Christmas. And so I will have my sneak peek on Wednesday for Battle of the Stitches. And then Shannon and I will be live on Friday the 12th for our Film to Fiber, where we will show you the projects that we made that inspired us by the movie White Christmas. And I sat down last night. My husband didn't get in till late last night, so I had the house to myself, and I sat down and I watched the movie White Christmas. Loved it. Oh, I love that movie. Love, love, love it. And the storyline is just wonderful. And the music, the songs, I was just sitting there singing through the whole movie. I love that movie. So, anyway, that will be on the 12th, and it will be starting at 8 Central. And I believe you'll be able to watch that on either one of our channels. I think we're going to set it up where you can watch it either on my channel or hers. So yeah, that's what's coming up. So I will see you guys on Monday. I hope you are having an amazing weekend. And I hope and pray that this next week brings you lots of joy, lots of happiness, and you get a lot of crocheting done. So I finally finished up all of mine for the holidays, and so that's done. And now I can just kind of work on some stuff that I've been wanting to work on for a while. So, hey, and another thing, check out starting January. Let me get my calendar and say this correctly. Starting January 5th, that's a Monday, the first Monday in January, our members only crochet along will be starting. And then Tuesday, January the 6th, our crochet along for all my subscribers will be starting. So make sure that you're staying tuned for that. Go back and watch. I have if you're a member, you'll get to see it, but I have an introductory video for my members only explaining the crochet along that I'm doing with them. And then I have another video out explaining the crochet along for all subscribers. So those are so fun. I cannot wait to get those started. And I'm going to get off here because I feel like I'm just going on and on about stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful Sunday. Have a blessed day. And I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.